In this video, I'm going to show you how does Instagram monetization works. So if you're looking to start earning from your content, I'll walk you through everything step by step. But first, we need to make sure your account is eligible, and that starts with switching to a professional account. So let's begin. Open your Instagram app and tap on your profile icon. Once you're on your profile page, click on the hamburger icon or the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Once you're in settings, scroll all the way down until you see account type and tools. Tap that and then select switch to professional account. Now Instagram will guide you through a setup process. Just keep tapping continue, and when asked to choose a category, you can select any option that fits your profile. Then tap done, and when asked to choose between creator or business, I'll go with creator for example. Tap next, and you're all set. So your account is now a professional account. Now let's move on to checking your monetization status. Some accounts are eligible to earn money directly on Instagram, but not all. So go back to your profile, tap the three lines again, then head to settings and activity. From there, tap on creator tools and controls. Scroll down and you'll see monetization status. Tap it to confirm whether your account meets Instagram's monetization requirements. If you're eligible, you will be able to see a message confirming that you currently follow all policies and guidelines, just like this. Then your account is ready to be monetized. It's also important to check your payment settings. This is where you'll be able to view your earnings and link a payout method. However, monetization features depend on your location. In some regions, Instagram hasn't fully rolled out payment setup just yet. But if monetization is available in your country, just like mine, all you have to do is tap Add Payment, then Payment Method, and follow the instructions. Once your account reaches the $25 minimum, you'll be able to withdraw your earnings directly to your bank account. So if you couldn't complete the payment setup because monetization isn't yet available in your country, don't worry, as according to Instagram, the feature is expected to roll out soon in more regions. So even if it's not available to you right now, it's good to know how to prepare for it. And that's everything you need to know about how does Instagram monetization works.